Livestock production tools. Livestock production tools are handheld devices used to make work easier when taking care of animals. These tools are used for milking, treating, restraining, and handling animals. Milking tools. Milking buckets or pails are used to hold milk during hand milking. The milk urn is used for holding milk during transportation and cold storage. The strip cup is used to check whether a cow has mastitis. It has a black or blue plate where the first drops of milk are placed so that strange colors or clots in the milk can be identified. The milk weighing balance is used to measure the amount of milk per animal. The amount of milk produced is then recorded in the production records. A milk strainer is used to strain milk to remove sediments and hairs. Rope is a synthetic cord that is used for tying or tethering the animal to restrict movements during milking. Milking machines are portable or fixed systems with vacuum pumps and milking clusters for automated milking. Treatment tools. A hypodermic needle and syringe are used to administer vaccines, medications, or injections to livestock for disease prevention and treatment. A drenching gun is used to orally administer liquid medication, dewormers, or fluids to animals, typically by passing the tube down the throat. A bolus gun is used to administer solid or tablet medication such as minerals to livestock. It is used by placing the gun in the animal's throat. A veterinary thermometer is used to measure the body temperature of animals, which helps diagnose illness and monitor their health. A trocar and cannula are used in emergency situations to relieve gas or fluid buildup in the rumen of cattle to prevent bloating and aid in digestion. Maintenance tools. A stirrup pump is used to hand spray animals on a small scale. A hoof cutter is used to trim and maintain the hooves of livestock, especially sheep and goats, to prevent hoof-related issues. A dehoning iron is heated and used to cauterize and remove horn buds from young cattle to prevent horn growth. Dehoning wires are used to remove or reduce the size of horns in cattle to prevent injury. An ear notcher is used to make permanent notches or markings in the ears of livestock for identification and record keeping. Castration tools. A badizo is a bloodless method of castration for male sheep and other livestock where the badizo crushes and destroys blood vessels supplying the testicles. An elastrator and a rubber ring are used for applying elastic rings to the scrotum or tail of young livestock to cut off blood supply, causing castration or tail docking. A scalpel is a surgical tool used for making incisions in livestock for various procedures such as surgeries. Shearing and feeding tools. Wool shears are used to shear wool from sheep and other fiber-producing animals during the shear process. A chaff cutter is used to cut hay, straw, or forage into smaller pieces to make it more digestible and suitable for feeding livestock. A hand broom is used for general cleaning and maintenance in livestock facilities, including sweeping up debris and waste. Restraint and handling equipment. A halter is a rope tied around the head of the animal while handling it. It helps control an animal's movement and keep the handler safe. A bull ring and lead stick are used for restraining bulls and oxen.